Today we're here in Melbourne's western suburbs with SOHO Living, looking at the MiTek Posi-Strut flooring system. Using the MiTek design, make, build methodology, we work with the builder in the design phase in pre-construction. In the make phase, the builder works very closely with our fabricator partners. We then work with the build stage as we are today, working with the builder and the carpenter on site, looking to optimise their install.
At SOHO Living, we specialise in medium density construction, mainly in the greenfield areas. We've been using Posi-Strut since day one because we find that the efficiencies and the quality of the product is what we need for our builds.
The MiTek Posi-Strut flooring system is built off-site in a controlled environment. So when it gets to site, it's a lot more efficient for the carpenter, the follow-up trades, and you also create less wastage on site.
Posi-Strut adds a lot of value to our job. It comes out pre-cut to size, which is excellent because we don't have to cut. We just measure markings and then we install, which makes the job much more efficient. And as well as safety and working at heights, when we're moving our floor panels across the Posi-Struts, that makes it so much safer because they've got that wider bearing on the plate compared to traditional I-joists, which you tend to become a hazard because sometimes you'd be walking and they roll over, where Posi-Strut eliminates that.
Posi-Strut adds value to our business through efficiencies. So in residential building, efficiency is key. So running all our services is much faster. Obviously having the open web design, it really does help us with our fall of our sanitary stack design. So obviously working to Australian standards with the 100mm pipe, we can ensure with much greater ease and efficiencies that we can get that fall.
I prefer working with Posi-Strut over I-joist, even when I get sent, say, 2 different jobs, and I'll check the engineering and it shows that Posi-Strut's on one job, I-joist on the other job. I tend to go for the Posi-Strut jobs just because it's just so much more time saving for me.
As a plumber in our business, we'd much prefer to work with Posi-Strut compared to I-joist. Just makes our job much easier and much faster.
What I would say to any other builder that's still using I-joist is give Posi-Strut a go. They're quicker to install your stacks, your electrical run-ins, safe for the carpenters. It's a great system with no squeaks.